The big story, of course, coming in from the state of Maharashtra. Remember that the late last night meeting that took place between Home Minister Amit Shah and the Mahayuti leaders, the images have surfaced. And it's anyone's guess. What do you make of this image? Look closely. Devendra Fadnavis smiling with a bouquet with Amit Shah, Eknath Shinde standing alongside, but the smile not as much. However, Ajit Pawar also standing with Home Minister Amit Shah, so it looks like a united image. But eventually, it's the suspense that's still brewing. Devendra Fadnavis, BJP, Eknath Shinde of the Shinde Shiv Sena, Ajit Pawar of the NCP held this meeting with the Home Minister in Delhi. The discussions also centered around the cabinet berth allocations and expectations. Now, the BJP is pushing for a larger share of about 20 portfolios and ministerial berths. Crucial meeting, however, is expected in the next few days in Maharashtra. The oath ceremony, according to our sources, I can tell you, in the coming week, 2nd December or 5th December, these two dates appear to have been decided as a likelihood. Caretaker Chief Minister Shinde, meanwhile, after the meeting, appears to have said he will ensure there are no problems and stating his identity as Ladla Bhau matters more than any. Ajit Pawar was also there, defending the pre-poll decision to not name a CM, saying that could have affected the electoral prospects. But if the decks are cleared for Fadnavis, why the delay in announcement?
महायुतीची महाबैठक झाली, अतिशय सकारात्मक झाली आणि आता पहिली बैठक झाली. आता पुन्हा उद्या बैठक होईल आणि त्यातून निर्णय होईल. महायुतीचा मुख्यमंत्री आणि महायुतीची मंत्रिमंडळ गटित होईल.
उद्याची बैठक कुठं होणार आहे? मुंबईत की दिल्लीमध्येच होणार?
उद्या मुंबईत होईल.
काही चर्चेला काही चर्चा नाहीये. आम्ही सगळ्यांनी पहिल्यांदा ठरवलं होतं की कुठल्याही परिस्थितीमध्ये भाजप, शिवसेना, राष्ट्रवादी काँग्रेस, आरपीआय, आठवले आणि इतर सगळे आमचे घटक पक्ष आहेत, त्या सगळ्यांच्या बरोबर आपण जास्तीत जास्त जागा निवडून आणायच्या आणि पुन्हा एकदा या राज्यामध्ये महायुतीचं सरकार आणायचं हे आमचं पहिलं टार्गेट होतं. ते टार्गेट आम्ही यशस्वी केलेलं आहे. मी या निमित्तानं महाराष्ट्रातल्या तमाम मतदार बंधू भगिनी यांचं आभार मानतो, त्यांना धन्यवाद देतो, त्यांचा कृतज्ञता व्यक्त करतो. त्यांनी खूप मोठी आमच्यावर विश्वास टाकलेला आहे. आम्ही जे सांगितलेले ते त्यांनी ऐकलेले आहे. आता जबाबदारी आमच्यावर वाढलेली आहे.
I want to bring in my colleague Vidya for the latest on that. Vidya, tell me about this Ladla Bhau phrase that Eknath Shinde mentioned after the meeting, and what is your assessment? December 2, December 5, one of these dates, that means next week is the oath ceremony, but for that there needs to be an announcement of the Chief Minister.
Going by the way the meetings have been held, it seems like BJP leadership has been, still considering who to announce as the Chief Minister. But remember, there's a meeting scheduled today here in Mumbai. Though the time for the scheduled meeting is not really announced, but there is a meeting between Fadnavis, Eknath Shinde and Ajit Pawar. And all these three people will be meeting to decide the portfolio distribution, how things will work out between the three parties for the next 5 years. That's an important decision, and based on that, that will be conveyed to Delhi, and then the BJP senior leadership will probably announce who the Chief Minister of Maharashtra will be. The modalities of the government formation are still being worked out. In fact, that's one of the issues that the opposition has been raising as to why has it taken nearly 6 days. But remember, this is a government that they have to form for the next 5 years. So to make sure that there is no one who is upset about anything, the alliance survives and it makes it through to the next 5 years is something very important for all these three parties, and that is why they are taking it slow and steady. But the announcement of not just the Chief Minister but also the portfolio distribution, they all have to be done together, so that soon after the announcement, the oath-taking ceremony could take place and immediately the government can start working. So that's something that the BJP and the ally parties are really working at.